next challenge is called Is He Gonna Survive? A hero is on his way to the castle to complete his mission. However, he's been told that the castle is surrounded with a couple of powerful dragons. Each dragon takes 2 bullets to be defeated. Our hero has no idea how many bullets he should carry. Assuming he's going to grab a specific given number of bullets and move forward to fight another specific given number of dragons, will he survive? Return true if yes, and false otherwise. So the key takeaway there is that you need 2 bullets for each dragon. So I think this is going to be another short and quick one, but go ahead and do it on your own first. You could make a constant value, something like the number of bullets for dragon if you wanted to do that. I'll just do the quick one-liner here. It should be something like return bullets divided by 2 is greater than or equal to the number of dragons, right? If we need 2 bullets for each dragon, and this is the thing that you could make a constant for if you wanted it to read clearly, so you weren't wondering, or others weren't wondering, why you just divide by 2. But yeah, it should be something like that. You need at least 2 bullets for every dragon. If you have extra bullets, that's fine. And that test looks good. And we are clear to submit. So yeah, not a lot going on there. Hopefully you got that one. And I'll go ahead and submit. I imagine this will be a pretty popular answer. Yep, bullets divided by 2. Or looked at another way. Yeah. Everybody went for the same kind of thing there. A lot more work than was necessary. But yeah, really not much to say about this one. Basic math there. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.